It's more like a 24/7 commitment. Picture this, waking up to the sight of 15 sunrises in one day, working on cutting-edge science and going to sleep while floating weightlessly. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for astronauts aboard the International Space Station, this is an everyday reality. Imagine the alarm clock sounding off, but there's no snooze button to hit. Instead, space travelers start their day with a morning briefing from the ground control. This is a crucial time when astronauts get updated on their daily tasks and any new developments that might affect their work. Next up, personal hygiene. Keeping clean in space is a challenge. Astronauts use specially designed tools like waterless shampoo and toothpaste that they can swallow. There are no showers in space, so astronauts use a water-soaked cloth for washing. After freshening up, it's time for breakfast. Astronauts don't have the luxury of a sizzling hot breakfast. Instead, they have specially packaged meals that need to be rehydrated with water. These meals are scientifically designed to provide all the necessary nutrients and are surprisingly tasty. Then comes the workday. Astronauts spend the majority of their time conducting scientific research, performing experiments that can only be done in microgravity. They also maintain and repair the spacecraft, ensuring it remains a safe and functioning home and workplace. Just like on Earth, exercise is an essential part of an astronaut's daily routine. To counteract the effects of living in zero gravity, which can lead to muscle atrophy and bone loss, astronauts must work out for about 2 hours each day. They use specially designed exercise equipment that works against their own body weight, such as treadmills and resistance devices. After a long day of work, astronauts have some free time. They might watch movies, read, play games, or even make video calls to their loved ones back on Earth. They also have dinner, another round of packaged, rehydrated meals. Sleeping in space is an experience in itself. Astronauts sleep in small individual cabins, just big enough for them to stretch out in. They use sleeping bags that are tethered to the wall to prevent them from floating around and bumping into things. So, there you have it, a day in the life of an astronaut. It's a routine filled with science, exercise, a bit of leisure time, and a whole lot of awe-inspiring views. It's not your usual day job, but for the select few who get to experience it, it's a unique and incredible journey. While the tasks may vary, the goal remains the same: to expand our knowledge of the universe and our place within it.